If you are a Caribbean person who eats curry goat, you already know there's only 2 ways to eat it. Please get white rice out of here. You only eat it with rice and peas, but the best way to eat curry goat is with roti. It's just something about peeling off those flaky layers and then taking your hands to dip it into the curry. Chef's kiss. Anyway, let's get into this recipe. Super simple to make. You're going to take some flour, salt, and water. Mix that together into a bowl until the dough forms. If you're struggling with the bowl like I am, go ahead and take that dough out of the bowl and knead it on the counter for like about 15 to 20 minutes. And if after you're done kneading it and your dough is struggling like mine, it's okay. Let it rest for about 15 minutes. While it's resting, we're going to go ahead and add some butter and some oil together. If you have ghee, you can use that. Some people use lard. I've never used lard in my life, so I'm not going to start today. You're going to go ahead and roll that dough out once it's rested. And if you think it's thin, go thinner. Then we're going to go ahead and spread that butter and oil mixture over the dough. We're just going to go ahead and try to create some layers. So we're going to cut that 3/4 the way down and go ahead and roll it into a nice little log. Press both sides into the center and allow it to rest for another 15 minutes. Now you can do 5 minutes, but the longer you let it rest, the easier it is to use and more pliable it will be. So once you allow it to rest, go ahead and roll these out. Try not to roll it out too thin because you still want those layers. That is what is going to create the roti pull apart effect. So once you have it rolled out, we're going to go ahead and place it onto a cast iron skillet. If you have a griddle, that will work perfectly. I'm cooking this on medium low and I'm going to keep flipping it on each side every 30 seconds until the dough is fully cooked through. And once it is cooked through, as soon as you take it off the stove, immediately start clapping it together with your hands. If clapping it is a little annoying to you, you can go ahead and just scrunch it up like you would a piece of paper. This motion allows the air pockets to release from the dough, and that is what is going to create these flaky layers. This was my first time making roti. It's super easy to make. You should definitely try it the next time you eat any curry or oxtail dish. And